Hi everyone, my name is Alicia Travis, and I'm going to be talking to you about the use of Edmodo in the classroom. It is kind of like Google Slides and Google Classroom, but I actually find it a lot easier to use. So this is the page I created. It's a theoretical classroom page. So over here you can see that I have two classes. In here I can easily upload quizzes, assignments, and determine dates that I want these assignments completed by. I can also create folders. So for this, I created a classroom resource folder, and inside this folder is links to websites that parents and students can use. So this one is for parents. It's Reading Rocket. It's a site that they can use to help their kids read. Then there's Brain Pop, which is a site that has a ton of educational games on it. And then there's an online voice recorder. It'll take them directly to it so that they can use it to post onto the site instead of just creating a message. To show some of the features, I'm going to go back to posts. I uploaded some art activities, a audio recording that has a question attached to encourage them to write a comment. What I like most about this site is that it is safe and only people who have this code can access the web page, no one else. And I think that's really important for kids who are just learning about internet safety and how to comment on other people's work and what is okay to say and what is not okay to say. This is a great way for beginners. I think it's also a great way to get the parents involved too, because when you invite a child, you can easily connect to a parent. So if you didn't know the email address of your student, it will create a PDF file with the class code and a unique password just for your student. So I created 3 random names, and it generates a username and a password unique to each one of the students that they can take home and go on, and this becomes their account. So from there, after the student has signed up, if I wanted to contact the parent to get them involved and just as another means of communication, you can hit Connect Parent, type in the parent's email or their cell phone number, and invite the parent to join in to post. Another thing I really like is how easy it is to upload things. So you can create any assignment and it will allow you to attach a file from your computer, a file from Google Docs, add a link. It's also really easy to add pictures. So you just click on it and it will allow you to upload from anywhere, which I think is awesome. You can also add apps. I haven't really explored that too much yet, hopefully soon. But I really like this messaging feature. So if I wanted to talk to a certain student, you click on your student and you can type any message to them. So for this case, let's just say I'm asking how homework is going. You can easily send it or attach files just to one specific student, which is really nice. Another feature that I find really cool is this Discover. So it gives you suggestions based on your interests. It suggests apps, student-focused news, games, and I think that's a great way to stay current as well with new research. And then there's hashtags, which keep you connected all over the world, not just your little classroom page. So a teacher can collaborate with other teachers all over, which I think is wonderful and very cool. So another part of the classroom page that I find really cool is you can create small groups. So if I wanted to create a group project assignment, which in my future class I would most likely want to do that, I could name the small group, and then I can decide who is going to be in it for either group projects or do small reading groups. It will allow me to pick into that group, and then I can send them messages privately, which I think is extremely helpful.